down.
This is a theory. It's a theory. Maybe they're closing down because people would rather watch people open toys on YouTube.
Then why do you open up toys on YouTube?
Than actually buying the toys. They'd rather watch people open it than actually buy it themselves. If that is why, throw your tablet in the trash. Well, actually, maybe not. But shut up your tablet. Tell your mom to take it to Toys R Us before it closes down. Yeah, that would be bad. Down. Forever.
And pull it on the ground. Alright, move that here. I'm actually going to tell you something very important.
Yes.
Camera lighting on this sucks.
Well, it's actually pretty dark. But we are going super fast as it looks. It's super dark. See?
What do you mean? It's lovely outside.
Wild.
Can you see this? What's it say?
Wild.
What's that say?
Grass.
What's this say?
Sign.
What's this say?
That says.
Tell me. What does it say?
It's hard to read because you're blind.
You're blind.
As you can see,
up here, you'll get better light.
almost there.
Alright. Oh, wait, you can't even
Okay.
see.
We're almost there, people, because we're already in the ash. You know,
Like you.
an ash. It's not at full brightness.
Oh, yes.
He's trying to give me a light because it's pitch black.
Can you see everything better?
It's like you're watching TV. Wow.
Wow, this is pretty.
TV.
I know. TV will be upside down like this. There, can you see us better?
Yes.
Way better?
Yeah.
Better than spaghetti?
Wrong. Ow.
Anyways, we are going to Toys R Us. This will take a long time to get there, kiddo.
Yeah, it's gonna take so long. Hey.
See you next time. Let's come on camera like
Yeah.
a boss. 15 years later. Can you see me?
It's getting darker by the second.
It's
We're gonna die. We're gonna die. It's literally getting darker by the
I'm
second.
melting.
Oh wait, that'd be like a face reveal for Bobafet and not actually Wolfie Crap. Losers. This guy was my friend. Okay, that's creepy. That looks creepy.
Let's try
yeah. If you guys look, if you find it.
No.
Those aren't ads. Those aren't his glasses.
Yeah, I don't
brothers.
use glasses.
That's his glasses. He just put it on him.
They made channel by 3, boys.
Okay, guys, we're almost there. It's getting darker by the second, so we're probably gonna die. All right, so we see stores and stuff. We're all on upside down. Okay, and guess what? There's a surprise next to us. Okay, you are already in the. Oh, it's not your Chapo sticker.
Chapo sticker.
It's done.
Going out of business. They didn't even have a sign.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Remember, this video will not end. There it is. Toys R Us. Here we are. We're almost there. Toys R Us stuff. Oh, I know. It's too far. My brother. It's very loud in here. All right, we're here inside Toys R Us. There's balloons. Of course, there's balloons. It's bright. Toys. Toys everywhere. Okay, I'll just go this way. Okay, over here. Toys. Over here. There's toys everywhere. Everywhere. Woo. I thought she had a mustache for a second. creepy. Okay, so toy. Whoa! What's this? Nintendo. I already own this guy. Peppy! Star Fox! Star Fox! There's a Star Fox toy. Ooh! Hello there. Oh yeah, it's beautiful, perfect. Kind of looks chubby. Puppets. Pretty cool. Here for most of the exclusives. There come you Little Planet stuff. Oh my gosh, that is! You better get that!
It's like the Sonic stuff you got.
Yeah. Stake in slavery zone.
Oh, they got different Sonic, except it's a lot creepier.
I actually kind of like that.
Oh wow, this shadow looks really nice.
Yeah, his legs
Isn't that the
feel
one that
weird.
Caden has?
No, Kate doesn't have shadow.
Really, Space Sonic, Space Tail, Space.
Okay, Knuckles looks really good, but what the heck is this thing? Looks like it. It looks like it got squished by a pancake. I mean, it got squished, so it is a pancake now.
Oh, some Dragon Ball Z
Can you not
stuff.
tell?
Dragon Ball Z. Stick bots, of course. Ooh, holes in the walls. Guys that look like they got smushed and died. Okay, so what's around here? Just weird stuff. Of course, Funko Pops, because like it's Funko Pop. Ooh, freaking body! Oh my gosh, this is my gosh, I am going to cry and die. I never had him in my hands, and same with Chica. Oh my gosh, you two are beautiful. Oh dear. Oh, I wish Toys R Us was not going to close down. If anybody that works here that was watching this video, but I highly doubt that, please, I feel really bad because I used to be at this place like when I was a kid.
Freddy's spot.
Yep, they do. Over here, follow me. They have like there's another Bonnie in there. Not on that one. Oh, the other one. The Foxies look so different. My mouth adventures.
I feel both of them. See which one's got more stuff.
Numbers on anything. See
Oh, new ones. Bonnie looks like he's blind. Okay. Fish. I don't know. I found
something's
it.
$40. It comes $46.
You know, there's still more FNAF areas. I'm pretty sure. They should still have. They should still have.
The point is they just got 10% on everything, so it's not even that
This is
good
very
of a sale.
expensive. The stuff is still
Like, oh, going out of business.
Okay. It's gonna be called like Bonnie Goes to Toys R Us now. Honestly, I don't know what the video's gonna be called because you guys already know because I'm recording this right now. It's not live, but these are so perfect. I need a cart, otherwise these are gonna be in the face.
It's not that good of a sale. You got some back later.
I would at least want to get one of these guys. I don't care, they're still cool. I've never seen Bonnie and Chica. Well, on YouTube I have, but otherwise I haven't. There's so much toys everywhere. I can't believe my eyes. What are these? World's smallest. Well, yep, definitely knew it. I was gonna say probably made by Rat 19. I'm pretty sure these are.
Go take it. Chica.
Wait, isn't that the link that you wanted? Isn't it?
Oh yeah, these are the two links I was trying to get back then.
Once Mario Muff Adventure saw this one, but just pulled down the shirt and makes it look like a creepy alien. Now I still haven't went over here and checked out the other things. I'll at least go around the store. Epic. So, my wing. This is cool. First person view of toys everywhere.
Pause the video until we do find something good.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we're we're heading towards the toys. Of course, there's toys everywhere. But because I'm fresh, I'm gonna do freshy stuff. Okay, so you gotta have little. I know. I thought they would have had a little bit planned stuff. And you broke it.
I didn't break it.
You broke it, bro. Kit. They have Peppy too. Peppy. Yeah, you already. What? Do they have Slippy?
They only have Peppy.
Yeah.
Peppy, Cloud, Peppy.
Well, how about? This is not the only part of the store, you know. This place isn't tiny. Okay, let's go this way. They should still.
Look, I was looking for these two guys for so
All the
long.
guys are very expensive. They're not even a good price.
Okay, hold on. Let's go over here. Oh, hold on. I see stuff. Okay, yeah, bear with. Sister location. That does not look like sister location to me. Where's the exclusives? There should be somewhere. There should be like some banana exclusives. Case. What? Alright guys, today we're going to get in this truck thing. Ouch. It's tight. How about you drive? I can't. This window. Oh, this is small. Get you off this. Bobafet, do you have any change to start? Press buttons.
I don't think I have any change.
No, we don't have any change. Okay, that was creepy. Okay, so this Toys R Us day will be amazing. This is an amazing day. Like,
Amazing day of getting stuff.
we're gonna
We were going to wait on the last day.
Why is that flashing?
Flashlight.
I can't freaking put the camera. It's flashing. How much does this need? Does it say on the outside? It says 25,000 million cents.
What's it say?
I think just like
What's it say?
maybe a quarter. It just says numbers.
Already. Hey, are you gonna try and get your Switch today?
Are we
Yeah, I'm
going
gonna
to
try to get it.
Get it today for sure. You're not getting it today.
driving, pressing buttons. They don't even know which buttons do stuff. Like we're going to drive.
Dad's taking out. We can't go any faster.
Ouch, I just fell on my butt. I'm driving.
Only $1 more on Amazon.
Okay, so we're exiting Toys R Us right now. So, are you ready, guys? Today we're going to be exiting Toys R Us. We are exiting Toys R Us, and now it's black. Oh, I almost tripped. This is very bad. You can barely see me. So, yeah.